All right, here we go. So today we're going to be adding items into our menus. I just previously made a video, but I forgot to link my mic. So here we go again. So here's maybe one of the things that you could do in your menu. If, say, you're selling T-bone steak dinners or certain entrees with a lot of different modifiers to them. You can do things like rareness, say upsell certain entree sides, make it so that they can only select certain number of sides, and yeah, add images, add descriptions, pricing, all that stuff. We're going to get into all that right now. So if you go to your menu, in this side menu over here, click on menu. This is where you're going to be adding all your items. So let's say we're going to do desserts. Let's go here. You're going to add a subcategory. What kind of desserts are we going to sell? Let's say we have ice creams. Let's say we have a couple different ones. We have ice cream. We'll add that. And let's say we have let's say baked stuff, brownies or whatever. Let's add our brownies. Let's add that. What else can we have? Maybe Danish. Let's add that. Alrighty, add your pricing and your taxes. If you run out of the item and want to disable it in your store, you can just come down here and take it out of stock or just remove it completely. You can just click this little visible in store button and it'll remove it completely from your store. So we have a Danish. Yummy Danish. Here's your description. If you want a certain sequence you want these things to appear at whenever you add them to your menu, you can create a sequence here. Just give it a number 1 through whatever, however many items you have. There we go. Make sure you click this little check mark button to save, because once you click out of it, it will not save it. So $1.99, 6% taxes. Yummy Danish. Save. You got the brownie. Add your pricing and your taxes. Add your description. Yummy brownie. Select that. See how they're say brownies on top, Danish is on bottom. So let's say we want to switch that around. Let's say we'll give this one a sequence number 2, and Danish a sequence number 1. Okay. What other type of, let's say the ice cream here. We have vanilla. You can add that. Chocolate. So we want to do like a chocolate sundae. I think that would be a good one to work on. A chocolate sundae. Okay. Let's add that on there. So give us the option of adding a lot of modifiers. So with your chocolate sundae, let's say your base pricing for that would be like $3. Okay, now what are some of the things that you could have on a sundae? So to do that, come over here to modifiers, and let's say you have the option for the base price. You'll add in 3 options for toppings, And then you can have some, say, you could upsell with some premium options like maybe extra toppings or extra syrup or whatever. So let's say Sunday toppings. Okay. And then in here you're going to start adding all your toppings. Let's say we have M&Ms. Add that. Peanut butter cups. What do you put on them? Sprinkles. Okay. Let's say why not? Add that on there. Okay. Let's say we want to add one for syrups. So we got a couple different options. That. Let's say we got chocolate. Peanut butter. Hit the save button. Hopefully I hit the save button here. Save it all. Okay. And let's say we have sizes. Sunday size. If you just call it size, it starts getting really tedious to try to get all the pricing and everything and add it to your item. So when you're doing sizes and China general modifiers, give it a little bit of a description or maybe a number or something like that so you can remember. So if you have multiple size subcategories with different prices, you can match those up with the products that you're trying to sell. Sunday size, and let's say small. There's no price. That's the default price of $3. Let's say medium. Let's say this adds another $1 to it. Large. That's $2 to it. Okay. Save it. Let's say if you want it in a bowl or a cone. So Sunday bowl or cone. Oops. Cone. I'm having a terrible time with that. All right. Bowl or cone. And cone. Alright, save that. So now if you come back to your subcategory, what do we have here? Ice cream. Okay. So we got our sundae. And then down here in the modifier, start adding all those modifiers in that we just created. So you'll see how they're all listed here. So that's why you want to kind of have, see, I got entree sizes, maybe not sizes for that, but sides. And you can add all your different sides and stuff. Okay, so sundae bowl or cone, add that. You can only select one, right? Select one. Say one is your default. Default it to the cone or the bowl. Save that. Add your other modifier. You have to click on this each time. Size. Hit the plus button to add it. Say we can only add one of these. Save it. Okay. Defaults at small with no price. Syrups. Let's say we can add one of these. Yeah. One of these. No default. Toppings. Add that. Let's say we only want to allow them to select up to 3. Select up to 3, so you're going to add 0 to 3. So you can add anything from 0 to 3. Okay. Once you're done with that, you can add your picture or whatever you want there. The little plus button. And then to make it appear in your store, just add your category. Desserts. And here's your ice cream. Hit the plus button. Come up here. And now you're going to be able to see that all those items that you added to your subcategories are going to be in here. So to change, say you want to change vanilla. Let's see here. Sundae. Here's your sundae with all those different item options. So you want to make it a medium. So we start out with $3. See how we add that? It changes your price down here. Choose up to 3. You see, it will not let you select the 3rd or the 4th. Choose one of these. It'll toggle back and forth. Choose one. Makes it very easy to add items in your cart. There's just a couple little steps that you have to take to be able to do that. But then you see how it makes it very convenient to be able to add a large group of items without having to go through every single, you don't have to add all these individual toppings and stuff every single time. You can just create a group and then just add that group to those items that applies to. Okay, I think that's it for that. If you have any questions or need any help, go ahead and call 814-636-6006. I'll be happy to help you add your items to your cart or to your store, get you set up, or whatever else you may need. All right, have a good day.